Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Steno. I hope you all are doing great. If you want to enroll in batch for the Triple SB skill test, you can visit our website stenomitra.com. You will get live classes with recordings and also a doubt session in live class itself एंड आपको यहाँ पर सॉफ्टवेयर एक्सेस भी मिलेगा और साथ में आपको यहाँ पर एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड एडवांस डिक्टेशंस जो आप प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हो, एडवांस आउटलाइंस मिलेंगी, एडवांस फ्रेजेस मिलेंगे और भी बहुत कुछ इसमें मिलने वाला है। तो आप इसमें एनरोल कर सकते हो इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द ट्रिपल एसबी स्किल टेस्ट। नाउ लेट्स बिगिन द डिक्टेशन। गेट रेडी फॉर डिक्टेशन। 5 seconds to go. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, I am grateful for this opportunity to participate in the discussion on the development of education and national welfare. At the outset, I would like to appreciate the efforts of the government in introducing several important measures for improving the quality of education in the country. The allocation of funds for educational institutions, skill development programs, and research activities is a welcome step. The Honorable Minister is fully aware of the need for the development of human potential, particularly among the youth, and I believe that these initiatives will contribute significantly to the nation's progress. Sir, it is my humble request to the Minister that a careful appraisal of the working of various educational schemes should be undertaken to ensure that public funds are being utilized effectively. The benefits of equality education must reach the poorer and socially disadvantaged sections of society. Education is not merely a means of acquiring knowledge, it is the foundation upon which the future of the nation is built. Unless this foundation is made strong and everlasting, no structure of development can stand firm and erect. Therefore, we must endeavor to provide quality education to all sections of society with special emphasis on character building, national integrity, secularism, and environmental awareness. It is equally important that educational opportunities are extended to economically weaker sections so that they may contribute meaningfully to national prosperity. Teachers also play a vital role in shaping the character and abilities of young people, and their contribution deserves due recognition. On the achievement side, sir, several welfare programs have received widespread appreciation. However, I would like to mention some issues which have not been adequately addressed. The efficiency of the government can be measured not only through welfare schemes but also by its ability to respond effectively to national disasters. Floods, cyclones, and other calamities continue to affect many districts of the country. In several regions, normal life was seriously disturbed and thousands of families suffered economic losses. At this crucial juncture, the government should strengthen disaster management systems and improve coordination among various agencies. A responsive administration can reduce suffering and provide timely assistance to affected citizens. We continue to invest in education, welfare, and disaster preparedness, we can ensure balanced development and create a brighter future for all sections of society. Stop.